another Soul Drives video, and welcome to, well, the first snow that I've seen at least this year in the Black Forest. Yeah, what a absolutely beautiful day. We got snow on the side of the road, a beautiful blue sky, and yeah, a great weather forecast. So I'm super pumped to be out today in the Black Forest. And yeah, what am I actually driving today? I'm in a Aston Martin V8 Vantage with a huge power output, 665 horsepower, insane amount of torque, 4-liter twin turbo V8. We all know the engine. It's from AMG, just with different turbochargers, as far as I know, in this Aston Martin configuration, and of course a little bit more power. Despite having all the new regulations, this car with the top down still sounds yeah, pretty amazing. And we are actually today on winter tires. It's 0.5 degrees out. And the car hooks. On the way here I already discovered that the traction control system is really good. I mean, if you're driving in sport mode, you don't turn off the traction control, you leave it on. You can pretty much just mash the throttle, even if it's slightly damp on the road, even if it's cold out. The car does everything it can do, and all the rest gets taken away by the traction control. So yeah, it actually feels very fast to drive this car, even in such conditions like today. And it's just first gear, full throttle, out of a tight corner, 0.5 degrees, winter tires, not an issue so far. It sounds so good. For a modern car, with an OPF filter and all the new regulations, this sounds pretty awesome. Yeah, it's just the fake noise through the speakers. Not a big fan of it. I have looked if I can turn it off somewhere, but I have not found an option like that. But these bangs, man, sounds so amazing. And it's quite overpowered for tiny, twitchy back roads, but yeah, that's kind of like also the fun of the car. Yeah, the car has huge amounts of grip. Like over here in Sport Plus, we are in first, manual gearbox, mashing it out of the corner. No issues whatsoever. Which took quite some time for me to get used to, because I'm always used to driving my Porsche 911 and other 911s, and I'm always used to that huge amount of grip because of the engine over the rear wheels. So anytime when I jump into a car with the engine in front of me, I need to test what's even possible with the car. And with this car being transaxle and actually front mid-engine with a perfect 50-50 weight distribution, kind of pretty similar to the AMG GT, you do really have loads of grip in this car, loads of grip. I have no issues to push the car a little bit in these conditions, on these tight roads with such a huge power output. Yeah, and that's really pretty remarkable, honestly. I really like the spec of this car. I mean, look at it from the outside. The color, whoever does the press vehicles at Aston Martin, honestly, they deserve a race, because the two press cars that they had from the V8 Vantage at Aston Martin, they were both spec'd exceptionally well. The color combination, the dark interior, yellow stitching with all of the matte carbon fiber, just beautifully done. I think I'm gonna take a lot of nice pictures over the next few days with this car, because the design of this car really deserves it.